Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking for a unique way to organize your bows and headbands, definitely check out this headband and bow organizer from POVETIRE. I love this unique organizer because of how beautiful it is. Up close you can see how well made the organizer is. You can fit lots of headbands and also lots of bows. I like that you can easily see the bows and organize them how you'd like. I have mine color coordinated, so it's easy to pick a bow to match my daughter's outfit. I used to have them all bunched up inside of a box and I wasn't able to see them. I wasn't using all of the bows. Now that I have them all organized, I'm able to always pick a bow that matches my daughter's outfit. I also really like that it holds lots of bows and that it's also a great decoration piece. In my daughter's room, it looks beautiful hung on the wall, but you can also put it inside of your child's closet. So if you're looking for an awesome way to organize your child's bows or headbands, definitely check out this one from POVETIRE. That's my point of view.